In the grand city of Velmora, where towering castles stood against the sky and merchants filled the streets with their wares, a great injustice was about to unfold. King Aldrich, a fair and just ruler, had been poisoned. His condition worsened with every passing hour, and the royal court was in chaos. The prime suspect? A humble blacksmith named Doran, who had been seen near the royal banquet the night before. The real culprit, however, was Lord Vexen, the king's own advisor, a man with ambition far greater than his loyalty. Vexen had framed Doran, knowing that a poor blacksmith's voice would never stand against that of a nobleman. As the trial began, the grand hall of the palace was filled with whispers. Doran stood trembling, his hands bound in chains. The evidence was overwhelming. His knife was found near the poisoned goblet, and a witness claimed to have seen him enter the banquet hall. "Do you deny these charges?" the judge asked, his voice echoing through the hall. Doran swallowed hard. "I did not harm the king," he said firmly. The crowd murmured. They wanted justice, and they wanted it fast. Just then, a voice rang out from the back of the hall. "Wait!" All heads turned. It was Alara, a young maid from the castle, standing hesitantly but determined. "I saw what really happened," she declared. The judge frowned. "Speak, girl, but know that a lie will cost you dearly." Alara took a deep breath and said, "I was cleaning the hall when I saw Lord Vexen place something in the king's goblet. I thought it was a spice, but then I saw him hide a small vial in his sleeve." Gasps filled the room. Vexen's face paled, but he quickly regained his composure. "This is nonsense. A mere maid accusing me? Absurd." The judge turned to Alara. "Do you swear this is the truth?" "I swear on my life," she said without hesitation. The hall fell silent. The weight of her words hung in the air. The judge studied her for a long moment. Then he ordered the guards to search Vexen's chambers. Moments later, they returned with a small vial, half filled with the same poison found in the king's cup. Vexen's expression twisted with rage. "You foolish girl," he spat. "You don't know what you've done." But it was too late. The power of truth had broken through the web of lies. Doran was freed, and Vexen was sentenced to face justice. Days later, the king, having recovered from the poison, called Alara before him. "You have saved my life with nothing but your courage and the truth," he said. "From this day forth, you shall never be just a maid. You shall be the keeper of truth in my court." And so, Alara, the girl who dared to speak the truth, became one of the most trusted figures in the kingdom. For in the end, the truth may be challenged, hidden, or denied, but it can never be destroyed.